Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. Today is June 1st, 2021 and I am starting a challenge. I call it Props and Wheels Mini Drone Challenge. What I am planning to do is reviewing 10 mini drones in 10 days starting today. Here you can see several drones behind my back, and if you count you are going to say there are only 7 drones. I know. A couple more are on the way. They are being shipped, so by the time we end this, there are going to be 10 drones that have been reviewed at Props and Wheels. Why am I doing that? Well, I mean 10-15 years ago these mini drones didn't even exist. I got my first mini drone. It was a Cheerson, one of the little ones. Back in 2016, it has been like 5 years, and it was a novelty. I was just playing, it was flying everywhere, I was crashing everywhere. But then the technology started getting cheaper and cheaper. The things that were on commercial drones came down to these little guys. So now they have gyros, they have barometers for altitude hold for less than $20. So everything that I'll be reviewing will be less than $40. Some of them are known brands such as Parrot and Holystone. Others are less known brands like from China such as Eachine and JJRC. And there are like others that don't have any name, brand name. So like this one. And then another somewhat known name is Hobson. So they're all over the place. There is one that cost me less than $10 shipped to my door. $9.18. Amazing. And most of them are around $20 range. There are a couple like 2 camera drones still over $30 but less than $40. I think it's amazing technology. One of them you can fly with your phone app. Most of them have 2.4 gigahertz radio controllers, transmitters. There is one that's infrared. Is it going to work well? I don't know. Let's test it out and see. So this is the introductory video, and the next video I'm going to give the link over here, and at the end of this introductory video you'll also see it over here, the link, and I'll also put it in the description. So the first video is being posted right after this introduction, and hopefully you will enjoy this 10 draws in 10 days. I call it 10D 10D. And why is this important to me? Because drones, these are so easy to fly if you buy a fully automated one with the flips and everything, but it will get people into the hobby, flying something, an aircraft. And also drones, I believe, are good practice. They provide great practice for flying, learning how to fly helicopters, because they are not that different. There are also FPV, which is completely a different world, which I'm going to get in later. Anyway, hopefully you will follow me in the next 10 days. It's going to be a challenge for me between my full-time job, between my family duties and other things that I have to do on a daily basis. But I'm going to stick with it and then try to upload 10 videos in the next 10 days. So please stay tuned and hope to see you on the next mini drone review video number 1.